Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a simple step-by-step guide on how to transfer money from Australia to Indian bank account through Remitly. So let's quickly dive into it. So one of the quickest way for you to be able to transfer money from Australia to Indian bank account is to open the Remitly website, or also download the Remitly app, sign in or create your Remitly account with your details. Then on the home screen, set Australia as the sending country and India as the receiving country. Enter the amount of money you want to send. Choose a delivery method, usually bank deposit for Indian bank account. So enter your recipient full name, bank name, account number, and the IFSC code. Select your payment method. It can be your debit card as your method, credit card for your payment method, or bank transfer for your payment method. Review the details carefully and confirm the transaction. And that's how you can easily send money from Australia to Indian bank using Remitly. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more video guide.